Batch export, one file per part. Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the batch export feature. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of exporting each part of a file as a separate file. This feature is incredibly useful when managing complex assemblies or projects with multiple components. Let's get started. To begin, open your project file in the application. In this demonstration, we'll be working with an assembly containing multiple parts. Once your file is open, navigate to the File menu at the top of the screen. From the File menu, select Batch. This will open the Batch Files window, where you can configure your export settings. The Batch tool allows you to automate the export process, ensuring efficiency and reducing errors. In the Batch Files window, you'll find several options under Import Options and Export Options. For this tutorial, we'll focus on exporting each part as a separate file. Choose the file format for exporting. Common formats include 3MF, STL, and OBJ, depending on your needs. For this example, we'll select 3MF as the export format. 026 under Miscellaneous Options, check the one file per part box. This ensures that each component in the assembly is saved as an independent file. You can also fine-tune additional settings, such as creating subfolders or deleting original files if needed. Once all the settings are configured, click OK to proceed. The program will now process the file and export each part separately. This may take some time for larger assemblies, but you'll see progress updates on the screen. After the export is complete, navigate to the designated output folder to verify the exported files. You should see a neatly organized list, with each file representing a different part of the assembly. This structured approach makes it easier to manage and share individual components. To ensure the exported files work correctly, import one of them back into the program. Go to the File menu and select Import. Choose the desired file format and locate the file you just exported. Once imported, you can rotate, inspect, and compare the part to the original design to ensure accuracy. That's it. You've successfully used the Batch Export feature to export each part of your assembly as a separate file. This powerful tool saves time, ensures accuracy, and keeps your workflow organized when working with multi-component projects. Thanks for watching and happy designing!